I don't know about you guys, but I fucking love money. I love everything about it. And some of you guys might be thinking, hey, that's a little shallow. But I don't want to be 60 years old busting my ass because I can't retire. I want to make money now. And what we're going to show you guys today are the best ways that it's been working for us and what we think are the top 5 ways for you guys to make money from the military. And some of you guys might be wondering,
but I'm a goddamn commie. Can I make money too?
And yes, even you can make money. Because think about all the money that you're going to be able to make that you can just give to other people.
Hey, what's up, my 30 subscribers? Oh my God. How should I start this? Okay. Number 1 on the list. So number 1 on the list is TSP. And all you really need to know about the TSP is that it's just a retirement plan. There are different funds that, based on your risk factor, you can prioritize where your money is going. There are other benefits with the TSP that we feel is underutilized and that can further your financial journey. But if you're like me and you never really contributed to the TSP, or you never have, you still have a backup retirement plan, and that's stocks. The good thing about stocks is that you don't really have to wait till you're 60 years old in order to pull money out. The other good thing is that you have more control over where you're gonna put your money. So for stocks, we feel as an average person, you're not gonna really make a ton of money, but it's still a good option and an alternative to savings and worth your time because it doesn't really take that much time in order to start investing.
Alright, so number 2, skilled services and asset sharing. So you can use your skills or assets to kind of create a little side business for yourself, make a little extra money that you can use to put that money towards other investments. So for a lot of these things, you kind of need like a big audience to push your business. You need a lot of people to market to. And being in the military, you know a lot of people. You probably know hundreds of people. You're part of Facebook groups that have thousands, tens of thousands of people that you can easily market to these people. Take photography, for instance. Say you want to get into wedding photography. That's your skill. Being a wedding photographer in the military is a fucking gold mine. You could have the same customer like 3 times before they're the age of 30. And this can create like a small business for yourself that you can make some extra money, analyze the numbers, analyze the market, know what's working, what's not, learn marketing, kind of make that next step towards building a bigger business. So don't ever underestimate these smaller businesses to where you can learn a lot of really good skills.
So number 3 is the concept of personal finance. And we always talk about how much money you're making, how much this investment is bringing you. But what we should really look at also is where we're spending that money, where we're putting it. Saving $200 here is just as powerful as making $200 in another area. We know it's not really a method of making money, but analyzing your debt to income really translates to analyzing your profits and your losses, fixing those problems, and really being able to scale up a business. Number 4 is the VA home loan. And we personally feel that this is one of the best investments that you can make, but is also really underutilized. It's designed so that military and military vets can put 0 down on a home. It effectively creates a safety net for you guys. You're not gonna get scammed into buying a home, and they're gonna make sure that you can afford it. Really comparing the low risk and how much time to put towards it and the insane return that you're gonna get back, we feel is the best investment that you can make. Being able to use the benefit of the VA home loan really allows you to making your first steps to buying a home or starting your real estate journey. So hopefully through our content we can show you guys to taking the actions now on using the VA home loan as opposed to looking back on this in the future.
Number 5, the big one, online retail. For us, it's been Amazon. We fucking love it. We think it's the most efficient way to be able to make a lot of money. It's scalable, you can put a little bit of money in, and you can really watch that money grow over a short amount of time. Yeah, it might not be a long-term asset like real estate or stocks, but it's definitely a way for you to make a decent amount of money right now that you can take that money and put towards better assets. Don't get me wrong, it's not easy. You really gotta have perseverance with it, and you really have to have dedication. And those are skills that you really develop in the military. I mean, online retail is difficult, yeah, sure, but it's not beyond any of us. You learned a lot of really good skills from the military that you can easily transition to and apply to online retail, and really any of these things that we've talked about, once you start taking the first step, it's gonna give you that confidence to move to something bigger, and I promise you, online retail is one of those biggest things that you can do right now to really grow your money. But here's the thing. All of us know that these opportunities are out there. All of us know that there are ways to make money. We think there's 2 reasons for why people don't take action. Number 1, I think it's because people want to wait for the right time in their life. They want to wait for real estate to go down. They want to wait for the next crash. But the thing is, if you wait, you're going to look back at 40, 50 years old, and if nothing ever happened, you're going to feel like you missed your opportunity. And I don't want to wait for that. I'm not saying go all the way out there and just bet everything on the market and take a bunch of risk. But I think if you wait, that's a lot riskier than taking action now. Number 2, I think they're scared to fail. And some of you guys might be afraid to fail. I get that. Failing's scary. But the thing is that failing isn't bad. You can learn a lot of really good things from your failures, being able to take those experiences and those failures, learn from them, and make the right decision and the right choices the second time. Maybe that doesn't work out the second time. But the thing is, we failed a lot in the military. You get yelled at for it all the fucking time. You can learn from those mistakes, learn from those failures, and be able to fix it and apply it to something better. There's a lot of civilians, a lot of people out there who are really successful and do this stuff all the time. But the thing is that we don't think that they're better than any one of us. If one of us can do it, all of us can do it. So, that's pretty much all we want. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your skills. Don't let the military be for nothing. But most importantly, don't let those goddamn commies win.